Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will study how to call a smart form from a driver program or how to call a smart form from a report. In this case, we are saying our report as a driver program which is calling our smart form. So how to call a smart form from a driver program? This is very important concept in case of smart form. So firstly we will discuss the concept. I am going for smart form transaction code. Suppose if I am running the smart form, whenever I am running the smart form, every smart form on running generates one function module. This number is always dynamic. Suppose next time if suppose you are doing some changes and if you are executing the smart form, next time this number can be 762. So this number is always dynamic. So whenever I am running the smart form always running generates one function module. So how whenever we are calling the smart form from the driver program, our first target is to get the function module which is attached with the smart form. Now suppose I am going for transaction code SC38. Now my name of the program is suppose zdriver underscore program. I will click on this create button. My title of the program is driver program. I am taking this as a executable program. I am saving it. I am saving this as a local object. Now suppose I am taking one parameter for sales order number P underscore VBELN, which is of type VBELN underscore VA. I am activating the program. I am giving the short description. Sales order number, suppose sales document number. Now I will call the smart form from this program. So whenever you want to call a smart form from the program, the first step is to get first step is to get the function module which is associated with that smart form, because we have already discussed every smart form on execution give one function module. So our first target is to get the function module which is associated with that smart form. So how to get that? For getting that, we have one reusable component in SAP, or we have one function module in SAP that the name of that function module is SSF function module name. What is the purpose of this reusable component, or what is the purpose of this function module? Whenever I am passing the smart form name to this reusable component, it will give me the function module of that smart form. Now I am clicking on this continue button. Now I am passing the name of the smart form. My name of the smart form is this one, Z smart form underscore example. I am passing this in single quotes. Now I have to take the function module name. So I am uncommenting this. I am declaring one local variable which will give me the function module name. How can I check the type of this local variable? I will go for this reusable component. In this I have this FM name is of this type. So I am declaring one local parameter LV underscore F name type this. Now I am passing the name here. I have passed the name here. So I have passed the smart form name, and this variable will give me the function module of this smart form. Now I will go for pattern. I will Now I will go for pattern. I am opening one more session, going for transaction code smart forms. I am running the smart form. I am copying this function module name. I am going for pattern, passing the name. Now this P underscore VBELN, it is coming from our selection screen. So I am passing the variable name here. Now this number is not fixed. This function module name is not fixed because we have already discussed whenever you are executing or whenever you are doing some changes, this number always changes because it is dynamic number. So you always have to pass that. So you always have to pass the current number. So how you can pass the current number which you have received earlier? Whenever you are passing the smart form name, it will always give you the current function module name and you are calling that current function module. So I am replacing this with this. You can never hard code that number because that number is always changing. So you have passed the function module, you have passed the smart form name, it will give you the function module of that smart form and you are calling that function module. Now I am checking the syntax, I am activating this. Now I will show you this in debugging mode. I am putting the debugger point here. I am executing it. Suppose my input is 4970. If I am executing this, I am going for desktop 3. Now if I am executing this, see this variable is now give us the function module of that smart form. If we are independently running the function, if we are independently running the smart form, see this number and this number are now same. Now I am executing this driver program. I am passing the device name. I am going for print preview. Now this is my print preview. So this is the way by which you can call a smart form from the driver program. You have to firstly call this reusable component which will give you the function module name. Next you have to call that function module. This is very important concept in SAP, that how to call a function module or how to call a smart form from the driver program. Thank you everyone.